Did you know that the secret to burning fat may be closer than you think? Introducing the power of green tea, not just as an invigorating drink, but as a powerful ally on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Green tea burns fat, and we're not just talking about any fat. We're talking about that unwanted belly fat. Imagine combining the pleasure of enjoying a delicious cup of green tea with the incredible benefits of burning fat naturally. This isn't just any ordinary tea, it's your secret to easy fat burning, a boost to your health and well-being. While we talk about burning, we cannot forget to mention burns. But don't worry, we're talking about tea burns, the ones that heat your body from the inside out without causing harm. This is more than a tea, it is a commitment to burning fat, a natural recipe to take care of your health. Try green tea to burn belly fat with our exclusive DIY recipe packed with natural ingredients. Tea burn is absolutely 100% natural and effective. Every package of tea burn is manufactured right here in the USA in our state-of-the-art FDA-approved and GMP good manufacturing practices certified facility under the most sterile, rigorous, and precise standards. Tea burn is 100% natural, vegetarian, gluten-free, and non-GMO. As always, if you have any health concerns, it is recommended that you consult your doctor. Because when it comes to burning fat, nature has the answers you're looking for. It's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining health. Make green tea your ally on the journey to a more balanced life. Take the first step today. Discover the best tea to burn belly fat and transform your health. Subscribe, like, and share this video with whoever you want to see healthier. Your journey to a lighter life starts now. The link is in the video description.